Hi guys, I'm Kerry from Awake and Alive and Thanks for coming and listening to my video from my new personal development business. And I would like to tell you it always hasn't been this way. I look like I'm in great shape and great health until I took some personal development a few years ago. Everything was opposite. So have a listen, see where it takes you. Well, one day I really was frustrated. Frustrated, what is the meaning of all this life? Where is it getting me? What do I really want? How do I even get it? So these were questions I had. Does this sound familiar, guys? I was one of those guys that said, hey, don't tell me anything. I'm not listening. Don't say anything. It's going to be a waste of time. Hey, I just don't see what you're trying to tell me here. That was me. So if you're like that and you can relate to this, continue listening. Okay, guys, is this familiar? Maybe putting on a mask, putting on a different image than our true authentic selves? Are we going after just chilling out with guys instead of maybe going after our purpose in life? Are we making a difference? If this is not where you want to go, then please consider our men's group. There is nothing like teamwork. As a group of guys getting together in our workshops, we empower one another. We help each other go through our struggles, and we go through some things that are really holding us men back today. It is enlightening. So if you want to check it out, again, please continue listening. Get your motor running. Well, see it down below, it says heart and mind tune-up. We take great care of our vehicles, guys, but do we take care of ourselves? First of all, our minds are getting pretty full up. We're under a lot of pressure, and our hearts have totally been ignored. Getting together in this workshop will help us get to our hearts. There's nothing like giving up. We just don't want to do it as guys. We keep pressing forward, which is great that we want to stay in the game. But let's get out of the old story into the new story, become winners again, becoming who we are really inside once more, and being better for everyone, better for our spouse, better for our kids, better for our employees. So how do you get started? Well, my first session is free. Either give me an email and sign up for a men's workshop, or just get together one-on-one and we'll have a good talk and see where this could lead, see if this is for you, and maybe just start changing your life for the better. It's up to you. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.